What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with Tech Daily, and in this video, we are checking out the relatively new Xiaomi Mi Band 3. If you're looking for the TLDR conclusion, then here it is. This is the best fitness band you can buy for under $100. Now, here in the United States, Xiaomi products in general don't get really any attention. Especially in the fitness band and smartwatch space, you'll see mostly Apple Watches and a fair number of the various Fitbit products. Worldwide, though, Xiaomi Mi Bands have been some of the most popular fitness trackers for a number of years, and after using the Mi Band 3 for the last couple of days, I can totally see why. It's a great little product that's sort of a stepping stone into the fitness tracking and smartwatch space. The Mi Band is pretty easy to use, it's very inexpensive, and it packs most of the basic features you need for casual fitness monitoring and smartwatch functionality. As far as what all comes inside the box, you get the little Mi Band module along with the silicone wrist strap, which comes in a couple different colors, and it's a very durable, high quality silicone band overall. It's soft like the Apple Watch bands with a similar loop and pin design, and it's sturdy enough to be stretched and pulled, which you'll need to do in order to pop the Mi Band out to charge. The proprietary charging module is a little weird, but fortunately you won't have to use it much. The Mi Band 3 packs a 110 mAh battery that yields 20 days of standby time and more than a week's worth of use even under heavy usage. Setup is super simple. It's probably best to use the Mi Band with an Android device, but iOS works perfectly fine as well. I did have to go through quite a few software updates and also change the language to English, but it was all ready to go in just a few minutes. If you've used either of the previous Mi Bands before, right away you'll notice the Xiaomi once again offers a complete redesign here. The Mi Band 3 has a 3/4 inch OLED touch display with a resolution of 128 by 80, and tapping and swiping is how you interact with the band. It's a little finicky sometimes since the display is very small, but 90% of the time it's a pretty smooth experience. Flipping through the different screens, you'll see that you have quick access to the step counter along with the distance you've walked throughout the day. The band also keeps track of approximately how many calories you've burned, and you can easily see how much battery you have left. One of the most critical features of the Mi Band 3 is its heart rate monitor. Now, right off the bat, I will say that this isn't going to be as accurate as some other products, but you'll still get a very solid instant reading. And you can also set up the Mi Band 3 to continually monitor your heart rate every few hours or even every few minutes if you need to. There are also a couple other useful things on the Mi Band, like a quick look at your local 3-day forecast. There's even a built-in stopwatch as well, and you can also find the device you have connected to the watch if you happen to misplace it. On the smartwatch side of things, you'll get notifications from your phone pushed to the Mi Band. However, the notifications are read-only and are generally pretty basic. You're able to set up which apps you want to see notifications from, including third-party apps like Snapchat and Instagram. And overall, everything works pretty well, but because of the size of the screen and its orientation, words will almost always get cut off to the next line, so you're super limited on how much is actually displayed on the screen. As far as customization, there are a couple of different watch faces to choose from that display some different information, but all in all, there's not much beyond that, and what you'll see is very basic. On the wrist, the Mi Band 3 is very comfortable. It's obviously very slim and sleek and lightweight, and it looks like a fitness band, so you've kind of got to be into that style. But I think Xiaomi did a really nice job making the Mi Band 3 a little more visually appealing than the previous versions. In direct sunlight, viewing the screen on the Mi Band 3 is pretty good. It's usable and much better than how it looked with the Mi Band 2 for sure. And as far as getting it wet, the Mi Band 3 has a 5 ATM rating, so you can splash it, wash your hands with it, take it in the shower, or even go swimming, and the band will be totally fine. Now, the Mi Band on its own is a very solid product, but of course, the other half of this product here is the Mi Fit app, which is where you'll get to see all of your fitness data from the day and a week-long history as well. When you launch the app, it does take a couple of seconds to sync up if it hasn't already, and from the main screen here, you're able to get a quick look at all of the important information the Mi Band has collected. For example, you'll get a breakdown of some of the different instances in which you walked a little quicker or a little longer to get a better understanding of your daily activity. The Mi Band 3 is also a sleep tracker, so you're able to get an idea of how well you slept the previous night. Personally, I'm not too confident in how accurate the sleep data is, but I still appreciate the fact that it's there and that the Mi Band can do it and at least give me an estimate and idea. For workouts, the Mi Band 3 is pretty good at tracking your calories burned, monitoring your heart rate, and giving you a much more in-depth breakdown of your exercise activity. However, you're pretty limited in the kinds of exercises the Mi Band can track. You can technically just work out in general without explicitly choosing something, and the Mi Band will still monitor everything, but you've only got outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, and walking to choose from. For the people looking for an all-encompassing, in-depth fitness tracker with GPS and precision accuracy, obviously this isn't it. You can go out and get a chest strap or Garmin or Fitbit product even. The Mi Band 3 is a super simple, very casual daily activity tracker with a little bit of smartwatch functionality thrown in there. And seriously, for 30 bucks, it is a great deal all in all. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on the Mi Band 3 in the comments below. Also, be sure to follow Tech Daily on Twitter and subscribe to the Tech Daily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.